Okay. So I always talk to y'all about hemoglobin, but hemoglobin is not the only part of your blood. You have red blood cells and you have white blood cells. So the red blood cells, they carry oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. They work for like your circulatory system. So erectile dysfunction, if your red blood cells aren't doing what they're supposed to do, you don't have circulation. It repairs the body of damage. So if these blood cells are low on oxygen, then the part that's damaged starts to die instead of heal. I hope that makes some sense. So you have to understand that this is your life force. If you get your oil changed or you put gas in your car, this is exactly how this works. Your blood is the oil. So you have to continually feed it. If it doesn't have food, it doesn't have oxygen, it can't repair, then you have issues. For example, the white blood cells, they come out and they indicate that you have an infection. These are the antibodies. They also indicate that you suffered an injury. So if you notice like you twisted your ankle and you start getting some inflammation, that inflammation is your white blood cells rushing to that area. They also fight disease. So you have 3 different types of white blood cells that do certain things. Like one of them attacks and kills parasites and cancer cells. Another one, it fights fungus. And another one, it sounds the alarm and it secretes histamine. So it's telling you like, yo, you're having an allergic reaction. If you get too many lymphocytes, which everybody talks about the lymphatic system. If you get too many lymphocytes, you have certain lymphocytes that are called natural killers. They come out and they wipe out everything. So this is when you have lupus, when they say my system is attacking itself, or you have leukemia. The 3 type is, I guess, this eosinophils, neutrophils, and basophils. That's what I'm gonna call them. Because I'm not a doctor. They be making up shit. I don't know what to call it. But I know that they recorded these types. You also have to have your plasma. They tell you donate plasma all the time. Your plasma also helps with the repair, and it also helps when the blood is traveling through the plasma. Platelets, they also travel with the plasma, and they help you repair. Your plasma and your platelets are responsible for coagulation. So your body, let's say people like, should I be drinking? You affecting these 2. You affecting the plasma and the platelets. If you got thin plasma and platelets, you have horrible coagulation. Everything that you drink goes into your bloodstream. This is why I constantly tell y'all, you have to drink tea, because they feed